Hi guys. So yeah, good morning. So today I'm with Kellen again. Yeah, with my friend. We are going somewhere today outside in Oslo City. So where are we going, Karen?
We're going into Drammen. See you there.
Yeah, see you there.
We have a lot to do today, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
So ayan, nandito na nga kami sa bus station ni Kellen. So marami nga kaming ganap ngayong araw papunta sa Drammen. So aattend nga pala kami ng Christmas party. Mamimit nga namin yung mga ibang au pairs dito, hindi lang sa Oslo, pati din sa Drammen.
So we are here now in waiting area. Yeah, we're just waiting our bus. So this is our bus. We're going to take the Flick bus. So it's cheap actually. So now we are going inside the bus. Yeah, it's really cold now. The bus is here. Checking na ng QR code. This one. Yeah. So now here we're going inside. Skeleton. So yeah, this is the bus. Hi. So now we are here inside the bus. So now we are checking our seat number. So our bus was 10B. So 110B and 11. No, we're not sitting together.
Nakarating na nga kami dito sa Drammen. So actually simula dun sa bus stop na saan kami bumaba papunta dito sa area na pag-aatinan namin ng Christmas party is 12 minutes walking only. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Kumakain na nga kami sa oras nito, pero bago yan, may pag-games sila kanina. Dito sa Caritas Drammen, napakadaming au pairs na umaattend. Actually sa Oslo, bihira lang talaga. Nakakalungkot lang kasi nga ito na din talaga yung last na event na magaganap dito sa Caritas. Dito sa Norway, nag-close na kasi yung au pair program simula nung March 15. Alam niyo ba guys, naswertihan ko lang din talaga. Actually, nung nakontak ako ng host family ko, February na. Then, nung nalaman niya na mag-close na yung au pair program dito sa Norway, kinontak niya na ako agad na para i-process agad yung visa ko. So, February, nakompleto na nga namin lahat ng requirements ko, yung contract ko, at saka yung mga ibang documents sa UDI. Then, after that, pinasa ko na nga lahat yun sa BFS Dubai. After 3 months, na-receive ko na nga yung message from UDI na granted na daw yung visa ko papuntang Norway. So actually, na-receive ko siya by May. So parang early gift na din sa akin kasi nga magbo-birthday na ako ng May. So thanks God talaga. Hindi lang pala Christmas party yung in-attend namin dito. Actually, one of the au pairs, Angela, is also her birthday today. Happy birthday again. And after that guys, nag-picture taking na din pala kami. Sa mga oras na to, medyo late na nga. So mga around 8 PM. Kailangan na nga namin magmadali ni Kellen kasi nga yung pinabook namin pabalik sa Oslo is 8:45. So alam pa namin maglakad papunta sa bus stop. Kalimutan ko nga din palang sabihin na mag-thank you kay Ma'am Carolina. So siya nga pala yung head organizer sa Caritas Au Pair dito sa Drammen. Napakabait niya guys. Mukhang nag-enjoy nga si Kellen for today guys.
Hi, we're back in Oslo.
After a long day, but it was fun. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wait.
It was really fun.
Really?
That we joined in Caritas in Drammen because we meet some other friends there. Yeah.
Yeah, we met a lot of friends, and you're gonna get to see one of the popular friends that I got.
Yeah. Just
An amazing friend.
yeah, it was so yeah, so this is our day today. What happened?
Today is on 14th of December 2024, and right now it's like 9.
Yeah, it's 9 in the
30?
evening. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's almost 10. So yeah.
21 then.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Continue liking, subscribing, and following. We appreciate.
Yes. Hade. Bye.